Assalamualaikum everyone and welcome back to Mathematics again with the next session of fraction, and that video was going a bit longer, so I I had to cut it down. Now we are on page 90 and you can see that I have already colored that part and what is going here, what is happening here. You can see that half part out of 1 part, and 2 part of 4 part, 3 part of 6 part, 4 part out of 8 part, and 5 part out of 10 part are actually having same amount. Okay, so they are called equivalent fraction of each other. Equivalent fraction of each other. Normally what I say, if I want to find out any numbers equivalent fraction, how I do it, I am going to show you with white one over here. They said you to find out white one, actually white one number. They said you to find out the equivalent fraction of 1 by 3 by using equal sign, but by using this page. Okay, but what I am going to do, I am going to do on copy first, because I really feel comfortable from here. Okay, just look at here. For the first equivalent fraction, I am taking the pencil. Okay, and the first one 2, then 3. I am writing the numbers. I hope you can see that, like this. Maybe they will say you write down 2 equivalent fraction of that fraction, or 3 equivalent fraction of that fraction, something like that. If they say you do something like this, on the time, stop wasting your time on a book. Okay, just see over here. I am having fraction 1 by 3. So if I multiply 1 by 3 with 2 on the both numerator and denominator, I'll get another equivalent fraction. One equivalent fraction of 1 by 3. So 2 ones are 2, 2 threes are 6. Is the equivalent fraction of 1 by 3. If I multiply 1 with 3, 3 ones are 3, 3 threes are 9. Another equivalent fraction of this one. 4 ones are, multiplying 4 ones are 4, and 4 threes are 12. Another fraction. 5 ones are 5, and 5 threes are 15. 6 ones are 6, and 6 threes are 18. All of them are actually equivalent fraction of each other. Equivalent fraction of each other. Don't forget that. This one is equivalent fraction of that one. That one is equivalent fraction of that one. All of them are something like this. So for number 2, if I want to find out the equivalent fraction of 2 by 3, then again I am going to multiply them, both of them, with first we are going to multiply with what? Tell me. 2. 2 twos are 4, 2 threes are 6. Now we will multiply with, let me increase the light a little bit. This much is okay, right? The next one we are going to multiply with 3. The 2 is done. Now we are going to multiply it with 3. 3 twos are 6, and 3 threes are 9. And now multiplying with 4. 4 twos are 8, and 3 fours are 12. Then it is 5. Okay, multiply both number with 5. 5 twos are 10, and 5 twos are 15. These are the equivalent fraction of 2 by 3. See how easy they are to find out, huh? If you want, you can go for this and marking them. For 1 by 3 already I have find them out. You can mark them here, like 2 by 6. Where is 2 by 6? We have to find out the 2 by 6, this one, and 3 by 9. So 9, 9, 9, here 9, here 9, this one. We should use color pencil for that. 2 by 3, and this one, and 12. We don't have 12. They didn't give me us the number line. Anyway, the another one, we are going to use the orange color, and here 4 by 6, 4 by 6, 6, 6, 6, 6, 4 by 6 here, and 6 by 9, 6 by 9, 6 by 9 here. Okay, and 8 by 12 again, we have crossed the line. But remember one thing, they will definitely ask you to write down only 2 or 3, not more than that. Okay, you can see they are actually equivalent fraction of each other, right? This one, that one, and that one. So this is our simple example. Now what I'm going to show you, I'm going to show you the white 2 number on your book. If it is possible, then do in your copy. That would be much more easier. But this is also easier. Just find it out with me. With 1, what to multiply to get 2? Definitely with 1 we will multiply 2 to get 2. If we are multiplying 2 with 1, that means we have to multiply 2 with 4 also, as I have done in the copy. Here to 10, what to get, or we can say we'll go to the smallest number. With 5, what to get, what should I say, 10. With 5 we need to multiply 2 to get 10. Okay, or like something like this. We have to multiply what to get 4 with what, 2 to get. I think I am speaking a little bit gibberish here. Again, let me try it. Let me write it over here for you. I'm actually, if we divide 10 with 2, then we'll get this, right? Then 4 also will be getting divided with 2, and the answer will be 2. Something like this. Okay. Let me explain another time. With 10, if you divide 2 with 10, then we'll get 5, right? That 5. So if I dividing 10 with 2, then 4 will be also dividing with 2, and your answer will be 2. So now I'm going to get 4. Should I erase that? Okay, let me erase that part at least. Okay, this one, look. With 9, we have to divide, actually, as this one is a small number, we have to divide with 3 to get 3. That means 6 will be also getting divided with 3, and answer will be 2, something like that. Now look here, with 6, what to divide with get 3, definitely 2. So divide 8 with 2 also, and you will get 4. Thing is, all the equivalent fraction, to find each other, we have to divide our whole fraction or multiply our whole fraction with the same number. Here we have multiplied 2, here we have divided with 2, here we have divided with 3, here we have divided with 2. Okay, so either it is division or multiplication, just increasing the amount or decreasing the amount. That's it, we are getting it. They gave you an example of equivalent fraction, how to know about them. You can see that there 1 by 2 is multiplying, and there is 1 2s are 2, 2 2s are 4, and multiplying 1 by 2 with what? With 3. I have already shown you in this page, isn't it? That's the same thing. Multiplying for this fraction is getting multiplying with 2 first, then 3, then 4. This is how we are going to find out the equivalent fraction of each other. Okay, now the missing number. As we are talking about the missing number, we will say something like this. With 2 we have to multiply with 6 to get 12. Then with, if we are multiplying 6 here, then also 6 here, then it will be 6 ones are 6. Now here, look at here, with 5 it is a big number, so we are multiplying. With 5 we are multiplying 2 to get 10. So definitely with 6 we are multiplying 2, we will get 12. 6 2s are 12. Here again it's a big number, so we will multiplying 4 to get 12. Then also we have to multiply our denominator also, 4 4s are 16 here. Now again it's a big number. With 8, what to multiply? 3. If you are multiplying 3 is 24, then definitely here also it will be 21. Okay, this is how you have to find out the missing fraction numbers, actually denominator or numerator. Make 5 equivalent fraction of 5 by 2 freely. How to do that part? I already showed you. I hope that you can do it by yourself. Hold and pause the video for 5 minutes, write it by yourself and then start it again so that you can match with my answer and you will get it. Okay, hold it, pause and do it. Okay, I have written. I hope that you have also tried that one. First of all, we have multiplied the whole fraction with 2, then the whole fraction with 3, then 4, then 5, then 6 to get our equivalent 5 equivalent fraction of 2 by 5. This is how you do it. Okay, now the green is here. It is little bit complicated, you know, looking at the picture they actually look little bit complicated, but I'm not going to do that part. I'm just going to explain this part and that part. What we have done over here, you know, division and multiplying over here, the three of them actually having division, and this where oh yes, here, and they are having multiplication. All of them are having multiplication. They get the missing numbers. Okay, this is how you are going to do it, so don't waste your time over here. Missing number, again I'm going to show you on the book. Now it's a small number, okay, so it means 9 should be get divided to 9 should be divided with 3 to get 3, right? Then 3 also get divided with 3 to get answer, which is 1. Basically what we do, we don't write this number, it's not visible. Okay, you can see this fraction over here and you are going to write down the thing. These things what you are writing is actually you have to do in your brain. Okay, or if you want to do them, then do it on your page on the right side of your page, then write down the missing numbers. Normally just write down the missing numbers. Okay, the fraction will be just simple. I'm going to actually erase these numbers what we have write here. Don't write them for your for your sake. Here with 6 we have to divide 6 with 2 to get 3. That means 8 will be also getting divided with the same number 2, and if you divide 8 with 2, our answer is 8. This is how, this is the plain thing. You are going to write it like this. Okay, just write like this. If you want to do this, again I am saying you to do that one on a rough page. Okay, now 4 and 1, we have to divide 4 with 4 to get 1, then 12 also divide with 4 and answer is 3. And here it is 4, 20 divided by 4 is 8, 5, 8 divided by 4 is answer is 2. All of them are actually equivalent fraction to each other. You know, we can cut down, we can divide, or we can multiply with each other with same number to get the equivalent fraction over here. Now I'm going to leave you with 6 number. You have to do what? You have to make equivalent fraction of this one by dividing numerator and denominator of the fraction with the same number. You are going to divide. First you do it 2, then 3, then 4, something like this. Okay, you want me to show? Then please let me know. I'm going to get another video for that if you want me to show that one. The most easy part, or what can I say, the fun part is actually this math, reducing a fraction or the lowest form. Write down in the lowest form. Okay, normally we don't have to look at that one. I'm just going to show you white 7. You will, if you follow this one, you will get the lowest term of your fraction, just like that. Normally when I teach my student to write down the lowest fraction or reduce the fraction in the lowest form, on that time I ask them to cut the number, both numerator and denominator, with the same number. If you started with the smallest number, that would be fine. You can see that one and that one, both of them are even number, so I can cut down with 2. If I cut down with 2, oopsie, I did a mistake. I don't want to cut it over here, is my question, and I don't want to cut it over here. Okay, 4 by 10, I'm going to write down this again, and now I'm going to cut it. 10 can be cut with 2, both of them can be cut with 2, the 5 will be answer, and if you cut down 4 with 2, then 2 will be answer. So your fraction is 2 by 5. They are both equivalent fraction, remember that. Okay, lowest form but equivalent fraction also. As I am not going to, I'm just using all of the pages, so I'm just going to write it. Please do not follow me. If you want to do this kind of math, please do 2, that means 4 in total. Okay, 4 in total, not more than that. Always, if the maths are bit big, then go for little bit, what should I say, more place. Now you can say it's 15 and 3, 15 and 12. So both of the number, what will happen, both of the number cannot be cut with 2. This one is even number, that one is odd number. I can cut down, so we will go to the next number, which is 3. 3 can be cut with, yes, 3. 3 5s are 15 and 3 4s are 12. So it is 4 by 5. See how easy the fraction cutting thing. Lowest form of fraction. Let's see. Here we have 9 and 27. So both of the number cannot be cut with 2. It can be cut with 3. Okay, it can be cut with 3. So let's cut it. 3 3s are 9 and 3 9s are 17. Now you can see that there is 9 and there is 3. We can cut the both number another time. 3 3s are 9, 3 1s are 3. Okay, so after cutting for one time, we can cut down. We saw that there is a 3 and there is a 9, both of them can be cut for another time, so we cut it, both of them, 3 and 9 can be cut with 3, so we have cut it with 3. So our fraction will be 1 by 3. This is how we are going to do it. Okay, I'm going to show you the last 3 4 number. Let me finish writing. Okay, I'm going to show you now. It's pretty easy. The first, this one I'm going to show you. Okay, both of the number tens, actually 40 and 60, we can cut both of the number with 10. So it will be 4 tens are 4 and 4 6 are, oopsie, 6 tens are 60. So we are cutting the both number, not with 2, not with 3 4 5. No, I am not cutting. I am just go for the largest number. Okay, the largest number, there is more largest number like 20. I can cut it with 20, but I cut it with 10 just to make you understand. Okay, you can see there are 6 and 4, both of the number can be cut with 2 again. So 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6. You can see I am writing down the number which I have cut it on the corner of the line. Okay, so that you don't mess it up, the fraction, mess up your fraction. Okay, see, if you started to, it's a pretty big number, if you cut it to like 2 with 2 with 2 after 2 after 2, then we'll look like this long, sorry this long page. So we don't want to do it. So we can also cut the number with the highest possible number. There is 28 and 24. Okay, so we can cut them, 28 and 24. If you want, you can cut down with the what should I say, highest factor actually, but it's only for practice. If you go for the highest, finding out the highest factor and then other thing, then it will take time. But if you keep practicing, then you will understand how to do it. This one we can cut down with I think with 7. 4 6 6 have, yes, 6 7s are 42 and 7 4s are 28. So we will cut it down with, there will be 4 and there will be 6. So we can cut down another time 3 with 2, actually 3, that means 2 by 3 is our fraction. Another fraction is left. This one we can cut down with, I can cut down with 12 actually. 12 3s are 36 and 12 2s are 24. But if you want to go like this, stable way, on that time if you cut down with 2 you will get 12. If you cut down with 2 you will get 18, right? 1 and 6 is 18, yes. If you cut down with again 2, then it will be 6 and it will be 9. Now if you cut down with 3, then it will be 3 and it will be 2. So 3 by 2. This one is little bit big, but when you will keep practicing this kind of math, on the time what will happen, you can actually get the highest number like this one and this one. So don't worry, just keep practicing, that's it. And these are the maths of exercise 1 number exercise. I hope that you can write down the proper fraction. You can find out proper fraction which is numerator is smaller than it is proper, and if denominator is a fraction equal to 1, that means the both of numerator and denominator will be same. I hope you can find it out from here and you can write it on your copy, not here. And all of them you can arrange in your copy, practice them. And missing number you have to practice, because I have shown you how to do it. And reducing number you have to practice by yourself. Still, if you need any help, you can let me know in the comment below. And take care. Bye bye. See you on my next class. Allah Hafiz.